When I'm filming YouTube videos, I tend to take a lot of equipment with me, and if I'm traveling to say London or Scotland, then I need my clothes and all my equipment, so then I have a huge backpack or a suitcase with me. So then when I'm doing my daily vlogs, I don't really want to have a huge backpack. Now that's when Waterfly backpack comes into play. Now their 20-litre backpack is ideal. Its compact design is ideal to just slip into your luggage, and then when I want to do my vlogs, I can just unpack it, get all my stuff in and get straight out. It's so lightweight and perfect, so let's check it out. When you get the Waterfly backpack, it comes compact, and you can see here it just looks like a little bag, but when you unfold it, it becomes a lightweight backpack. Now, when I'm doing my vlogs, I need a drone, I need my controllers, I need batteries, cameras, chargers, even cables. So much equipment comes with me on a daily vlog, and that doesn't include my actual luggage of clothes and things. When it's in its little compact state, it is 8.7 by 6.3 inches in size. When you unpack it, it's 16.9 by 11.4 by 5.5 inches. It's made from recycled nylon materials, and it only weighs 10.2 ounces. The backpack straps are made from polyester lining, which helps the stress on your shoulders when you're walking about. It's a 20-litre capacity, and as we look at it here, it features one main compartment for everything that you possibly could need. 2 front pockets, 1 zipper removable pocket, and at the side you've got 2 netted pockets for water bottles and the likes, and straps to hold it all in place. Now the actual backpack itself is water resistant but not waterproof. The Waterfly backpack comes in a range of different colours, and it's ideal for daily outings, content creators and YouTubers alike, and if you're going away from a weekend, it is great at the airport and fits in those little boxes that they do for hand luggage. Now if you look in the description, you will see a link. Click on that link and it'll take you to their page. You can see the backpack for yourself, choose the colour you want and get one ordered. You won't be missing out with this one. It's a great little feature. I've got mine on today. It's comfortable, it's ideal, and it's perfect for my needs and perfect for yours as well. So yeah, check the description for the link, and when it comes to unpacking it and packing it, if you watch this video here, you can see how easy it is just to fold it all back up into that little pouch, that compact pouch that I started at the beginning of the video, and put into your hand luggage. So to get your Waterfly backpack, click the link in the description and head on there, pick the favourite colour that you want and get it ordered today. Thank you so much for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.